Here is how to remove headers and footers from specific pages in Word. So first, you need to go ahead and insert section breaks. Go to the second page of your document. For each page where you want a different header or footer, click at the very beginning of that page. Once you do that, click on Layout in the top. Now select Breaks, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Continuous. Repeat this for every page where you want to remove or change the header or footer. You can also double-click on the header or footer area of the second page or any page, and then which will open the Headers and Footers Tools tab. In the navigation group, click on Link to Previous or Same as Previous option. This will open the Headers and Footers Tools tab. Go to the navigation bar, and you can go to Layout, then set your header and footer to 0. Then click on OK from the bottom, and you'll be done. You can also go to the Insert section in the top, then select Header and select Remove Header option. Do the same for footer and select a Remove Footer option, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.